Welcome to the project demonstration of hand gesture control robotic arm. So in this project we are going to control the robotic arm with four operations. Like one is the robotic arm open and close, another is a robotic arm up and down. So these four inputs will be given from our hand gestures. So here we are going to place the flex sensor to control these fingers. So when we close the finger, with folding the finger in little bit more, then it will go into the open mode, and when you fully close that, then the fingers will closes, and when you tilt the hand to in forward direction, then it will come forward, and backward direction it will come backward direction. So these features signals will be given from the Arduino Nano, because Arduino Nano interface between the inputs like MEMS sensor to read the forward motion and backward bending, and flex sensor to read the folding percentage of our finger. So these two are interfaced to the Arduino Nano at A0, A1, A2 pins, and the output directly based on the tilting angle and based on the folding levels. So we are going to sending the characters through this Zigbee module, which will act as a RF transceiver, so which is interfaced at the transmitter pin of our Nano board. So the whole system getting power supply from the 9 volts battery, and that was connected to this 7805 regulator. So after this regulator we will get the constant 5 volts power supply, which is the main operating voltage to the whole system. So once we provide the voltage, then it start reading input from the flex sensor, how much of bending was done, and the MEMS sensor, how much of tilting was done, and based on that, so open and close characters O and C, and up and down characters, these four characters. Otherwise, when it is normal condition, S, nothing but stop condition. These 5 commands will be sent from the transceiver to the receiver module. So here we place the receiver module. So then the receiver data will be given to the Arduino Uno board, and then it will start executing the commands based on the O character received. Then the fingers will be opens, close for C, up down for the U and D, and S for the stop motion of these two DC motors. One DC motor attached to the fingers, another DC motor attached to the arm. So these two DC motors control with the help of L293D motor driver, so which is interfaced at 4, 5, 6, 7 pins of our Uno board, and the receiver module directly receiving pin of our Uno board directly. So here also we are providing the 5 volts power supply from this regulated power supply board. So we are providing 230 volts AC. This transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and on this regular power supply board we have the 3 stages. One is rectification and filtration and regulation. So after rectification, AC to pulsating DC. After filtration, pulsating DC to pure DC of 12 volts, and regulation will get the 5 volts constant output, just like same operation here also. So after that, 5 volts is a main operating voltage to the Nano board and L293D, and here we need to provide the 12 volts power supply to control these two DC motors. So the orange and red cables underneath, we can see that these two wires providing the 12 volts directly before the regulator to the DC motors through this L293D motor driver. So let us see the demonstration. So I am repeating the operation before on the gauge. So if you on the transmitter, so before on the power supply, so fully unfold the finger, means fully upwards unfolding and on the power supply, then the system will capture the readings from the flex sensor. So nothing but if you unfold like this, you can and restart. This is the reset switch on the Nano board. So hold it till there will be light on and off 2 times. You can see that. So right, once it's on and off, the light is small blinking, means it's sending the characters. So now you can, it's normal condition now, means it's stop commands. So forward, backward, little bit close, sorry, open the fingers and close the fingers. Right, now I'm disconnecting the power supply, and on the power supply to the receiver, first of all. So here also LED will be on and off 2 times. Now it is waiting for the commands from the gripper module. So now again, as I'm repeating, so give the power supply, unfold it and reset it. Right, so now both reset. If the wrong operation is going on, you can reset this switch at the Arduino Uno board. So now forward, backward, open, it stops. Close the fingers. So fully closing of fingers, the gripper fingers will be closed and open. Okay, so normal condition, fully unfold. Right. Right.